Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook lasagna soup. First, gather your ingredients, including 1 pound of ground meat, lasagna noodles, and tomato products. We will brown the meat and build a rich tomato base, then add broth to simmer. Next, break your lasagna noodles into bite-sized pieces and cook them directly in the soup. This saves on dishes and infuses flavor. Finally, we will top it with creamy cheese for that classic lasagna experience. This soup comes together in about 25 minutes. To start this flavorful journey, make sure you have 1 pound of your preferred ground meat, either Italian sausage or lean ground beef. Next, ensure you have plenty of tomato goodness. A large 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and a small 6-ounce can of tomato paste are perfect. Don't forget 4 cups of savory broth and about 12 ounces of dried lasagna noodles. For the creamy finish, prepare 8 ounces of ricotta, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, and 1 egg. Let's build that essential flavor base. Begin by browning your 1 pound of ground Italian sausage or beef in a large pot over medium-high heat until it's completely cooked through and no pink remains. Make sure to drain any excess fat, keeping your soup hearty but not greasy. Next, add 1 diced onion and 2 minced garlic cloves to the pot, cooking them until they are fragrant and tender, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Stir in the 6-ounce can of tomato paste and cook for 2 minutes to deepen its flavor. Decide to audible when your original play call is clearly at a disadvantage. For instance, if the defense stacks 8 players in the box, running the ball might be ineffective, so you could audible to a quick pass. Conversely, if defensive backs are playing 10 yards off your receivers, a short run might be a more efficient gain. A sudden defensive shift that leaves an area wide open is another excellent time to audible, allowing you to exploit that mismatch. Your goal is always to counter the defense's plan with a superior offensive strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.